Ho, ho, ho. Hey guys, today I've got something nice for you. Check what I got for Christmas. And this is actually something that I love. The film series Back to the Future, Delorean with Marty McFly, Doc Brown and Einstein, the dog, and then a separate figurine package containing Marty and Doc Brown. So very cool stuff, which I'm gonna open now. So this is 1955 edition, and that's the DeLorean, which is actually going there. So let's open it up, guys, without further ado, not to keep you waiting, and let's see what's inside. All right, I think it's time to open it up, guys. Nice. Oh man, you can see the chassis and the body of the DeLorean here. Perfect. All right. What more do we have? The wheels. Here's some more pieces. The manuals, stickers, and the figures. And obviously the powerhouse for the batteries. Here's the booklet with the story and the instruction set. All right. Yeah. That's the stickers. And the parts. You can see we have the real Einstein looking at what we're doing today. guys, one last thing. That means I need to put in batteries. Alright guys, you can see this is a perfect set which is ready, and I still need to place Doc behind the wheel and Marty's gonna keep filming, so very cool. Nice. Let me turn it on again. Oh, you can even see the flux capacitor inside. Really cool. Alright guys, this is a wonderful gift that I got for Christmas. You can see here the plutonium charges, and then here's Doc with the camera and Marty inside the Delorean waiting for the ride. Well, this is excellent. One of the better toys I've seen in recent years. So as I told you, you can even have that door closing and then Marty taking a spin. Alright, so take a look guys. Alright, let's get out, Marty. Alright guys, and last but not least, Back to the Future from 1955. Alright, you can see here a very cool setup. And let's open it up. There's the guitar of Marty. And there's Doc. Here we are. So a very cool set, obviously.